Welcome to Granada Houses. Find your dream home in southern Spain. We specialize in enjoy weekly professional video tours. Subscribe now and visit our website today.
Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're here in the town of Illora to show you this Andalucian Village house. So as you can see, when we walk in, there are two rooms, one either side of the hallway. This is very traditional in a house like this. And these beautiful tiles here, this is also traditional here in our province, the province of Granada. All of the rooms have air conditioning and there is double glazing, and the windows also have persianas. So it's a good sized room. We think you could open this space up because neither of these walls seem to be supporting walls, but obviously you're going to need to take the advice of an architect before you consider anything like that, and also get planning permission. So the town that we're in has absolutely everything that you might need. Schools, doctors, banks, recreation. This house is walking distance to everything. So it's perfectly placed. There's no garage, you do have to park in the street outside. So you can see here the kitchen, a traditional open fireplace, still functioning, we're told, and an original cupboard. These were very, very popular in village houses, and we see them a lot in old farmhouses as well. So it's nice to see that it hasn't been taken out. Just here there's a little understair cupboard which you can use as a kind of pantry. So with this town, it's perfectly placed. It's 30 minutes to Granada City, about an hour and a half to Malaga Airport, and about 30 minutes or so to Granada Airport. Ideal place for cycling, walking. We're surrounded by countryside here. It's very, very lovely. So we come up to the top floor. This is the first of the bedrooms. I think this one's the largest of them all. This is patio side. There are 4 bedrooms in this house. We haven't included the one on the ground floor as an actual bedroom. This is the smallest. Could be great for kids or as an office or playroom. And then at the end of the hall here, that's just a cupboard. And we have a modern style bathroom. This is one of 2 bathrooms in this property. So you can see a nice long hallway. Okay, I'm going to go downstairs now and show you the outside spaces. We're now downstairs again, about to go outside. This house has a lot of privacy and it has this wonderful patio. So you can see here, this part of the patio is covered by grapevine, so it's lovely and shady. As you all know, we've had a very hot summer, so a shaded patio is always welcome. This is your second bathroom, and you can see it's fitted for a washing machine as well. There's enough room here to put in a jacuzzi or possibly even an overground pool. Again, something you'll need to talk to the town hall about. Have a nice space just around here. If you wanted to, you could redistribute some of the rooms and perhaps cut a door through where that window is for other access out into the patio. And here we have 2 extremely useful rooms, 2 storerooms. Here's the first, and then here is the other one. So there's lots and lots of potential here, lots and lots of privacy, a lovely space. You could create more actual garden if you wanted to, or if you just wanted to keep something that's easy maintenance, then obviously you would keep it quite like this. So this really is a perfect house if you're thinking of moving to Spain and you want to live close to everything and walking distance to everything, be able to come into a house that's really ready to go with just a few little things that maybe need to be done, a little bit of painting perhaps. But basically you could walk straight into this house and start your new life here in Spain. So we hope you've enjoyed this video, and we do very much look forward to meeting you here in the town of Illora in the province of Granada. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification button so that you're immediately informed of all of our upcoming videos and all videos as we release them. And also check out our website, granadahouses.es, for regular updates. Thank you for watching.